Hey guys, this is Gary, the Okeechobee Gardener. I'm here to do something a little different. It's been really hot, windy, humid. I've been a little on the sick side. If you go back and check, you'll know that they found I had stage 4 cancer. I had surgery, it's gone, but now it's back with a vengeance. So I've been going through chemo. I'm not been in the best of shape, so I'm inside knowing that I'm not in the best of conditions. I have been working on a automation for my greenhouse, and if y'all are interested, please like the video, please hit the notification. Okay, so to do my automation, I'm going to be using an Arduino Nano. We're going to be using an Arduino Uno. We also have an Arduino Mega, which I'm not showing. We will be using several of these LCDs. We'll be building all our circuitry on this board. We'll be using a temperature humidity sensor. We'll be using a way to write the information to a card so we can view it later. We'll be using a one-wire temperature sensor, various resistors, different size, different resistance. We'll be using waterproof temperature sensors. We'll be using solid state relays, pH probe. We'll be using a way to douse the hydroponic nutrients. We have a flow sensor. We have another flow sensor. We have another flow sensor. We have a clock. We have a a way to send a text message if anything goes wrong with the system. I have it up and working, sort of. Of course, it's not in the greenhouse. You can see the readings. We have temperature sensor, another temperature sensor. This is a homemade EC probe, so we can check electrical conductivity. We do see that right now the pump would be running in the greenhouse due to time. We have one of the circuit boards that I started building. It's all connected up. This is the Mega, Arduino Mega, a breadboard, power supply. We have a Wi-Fi connection right here, so it'll send out to ThinkSpeak. Okay, this is just showing you some of the code that I've already got done. It is working. This will all be available when I'm done with the system and if the system's up and operating. As you see, there's many lines of code in this. And what I plan to do is planned to take you on the journey of building and making this board with the connections on it. Show you how I set it up. It has its own power supply right here. This Wi-Fi module will end up being plugged in over here, and the text message board will also be integrated in this board, and that way we should be able to get it all put together and automate that greenhouse, because this will end up controlling everything in the greenhouse. So if it's an interest to you, please send me a comment. Let me know what you think. I'm doing this because I'm going to be down for another month and a half. It gives me something to do, and I enjoy doing it. And hopefully it will be something that a person using a greenhouse, growing in a greenhouse hydroponically, it will help them in the long run. So if you would, again, please like the video, and please comment. Let me know. It's something I think that can help and benefit a lot of people. So you have a wonderful evening, good day, whatever time it is, wherever you're at. Talk to you on the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.